I have a swap with Stephanie over at Glitzy Gem. So if you want to see what's in the bag and what's it's all about, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit's off begging for food, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So we are part of the Temu Winter Swap Collab. Now, Miss Faye Blatcher had put us all together, and we wanted to honor her memory and continue this for her because she put so much work into getting this group together. We each were randomly assigned a partner that we swapped gifts with. So Stephanie over at Glitzy Gem got my name, I got her name. We were paired. And then everybody else who you just saw in that ad, they were all in it too, and they're together in their pairings. So we do have a subscriber give back for you. You do have to watch everybody's video and leave a comment and be publicly subscribed to everyone. For our give back, you do have to live within the continental US, but we do have a lot of international channels involved here, so you've got chances to win no matter where you are. And let's get into this. Yeah, all of my rules are down below. You want to pull something out?
Sure.
I have no idea what's in here.
Oh, cool, little snowman.
Yeah, so the only thing that I said, we could tell each other exactly what we wanted, or we could, I just said, you know what, in the winter I like to decorate with snowmen, penguins, that sort of stuff.
It's so cute.
It's cute.
Yeah.
And what is this? This is, I think she said she got something for everybody. So something for Bandit, something for Chloe, and something for the hubby. And this is for Bandit. It's a little blanket. Look at how cute that is. Stephanie, that's adorable. That'll look nice in his little house over there.
Yes, it does too. I stole his last blanket.
Yes, you did. All right, you want to pull something out?
Nice. Coffee mugs.
Ooh.
Stainless steel.
Mm-hmm. Can I take it out and see what it looks like? I think $25 was our limit. Okay, you can just tear it open, sure.
Yeah.
Ooh. All right, and it says coffee on it. So this might be for the hubby, I'm thinking, because it's black. And what's the size on there? Is that,
Probably 16? No.
it's in milliliters, so it's a 510 milliliters.
Yeah, probably about, I'd say 10, 16. I'm thinking more between that, maybe 12. 12?
Maybe 16.
Yeah, 16 is what I said first.
All right, I got the mate for the snowman. I've got the snow girl here. Very cute. I don't know who's that though. Here we go. Very cute together. All right, you want to pull something out? Oh, that looks like the other coffee mug.
Nice.
Yeah, and this one must be for me because it's pink. Very pretty. Very nice.
Let's see.
And you get the last thing?
Nope, there's another thing in there.
Okay.
Yep, that looks like these two things. Oh, there's another thing or no?
No, that's
Alright, I thought you were grabbing something.
it. Making sure I didn't want to accidentally throw anything out.
So, first of all, we got this.
Oh, it's a pretty necklace.
I know. It's like, it looks kind of like paper clips.
Yeah.
I like that. There's this one. This one's a bracelet. Or is it a bracelet or a small necklace? Might be one where you like wrap it around your wrist twice.
Oh yeah, look, no, see, look.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
That's the matching. You don't wrap it around twice,
Oh.
it's actually.
Oh, okay.
So that's the matching bracelet.
And there's one more.
I wonder if that's for you.
Ooh.
It's really pretty.
I know.
I mean, that is just so lovely.
Cute. Yeah.
Yeah,
It is adorable. I love it.
yeah, I think that one's for you.
Yeah, I think so
I'm
too.
not sure. I mean, maybe both the jewelry's for you. She didn't specifically tell me. But we love everything. Thank you so much, Stephanie.
Yeah, thank you.
You did a great job with very little direction. Stephanie was great. She was like, here's all the things I want. And I was like, that makes it so easy. But I'm like, I don't know, whatever. So you did a great job, and we love everything. And these little snowmen are going to go up as part of our
Plush
winter
collection.
decor
Plush collection.
here in this room.
No, I think it's going to be a part of my plush
Oh, it's
collection.
going to be part of your plush collection.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I have like 50 plushes.
All right. And make sure you check out everybody who's involved. Again, there are folks from all over the world. We've got Scotland, I think Canada, and all over. So there are plenty of opportunities for giveaways no matter where you're from. So check those out. And make sure that you're commenting on everybody's video. It's the only way we can check and see if you are a public subscriber. And this is a subscriber give back. It is from us to you. YouTube has nothing to do with it. Temu has nothing to do with it. It is just a little something to say thank you for being a part of our families and for kind of saying hello to all of our friends and being subscribed to them. All right. Well, that's all we have for now. So make sure you're hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. This giveaway goes for 2 weeks, and all the rest of the rules are down below. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.